Hello everyone, this is Leke KOSB Finance, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you could actually use the P2P trading for yourself. All right, now basically P2P means peer-to-peer, in the sense that you can actually use this platform to you can actually use the platform to basically buy. You can actually use the platform to buy any coin from the market. You can use it to buy coins from the market, and also create you could actually use it to, you could use it to buy coin from the market without directly using your bank card. All right, so basically there are persons on the platform online that have these coins, so they are like sellers. All right, so all you need to do is to give them your country currency, you transfer to their account, and you basically get the coin you want in return, maybe USDT or BTC or whatever. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you how you can actually do that, and how you can actually avoid being scammed on the P2P platform. All right, so guys, if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to click the bell button and also subscribe to this channel so that you get notifications whenever I upload awesome videos like this, and stay to the end of this video so that you can get the bonus that I'm going to be giving you at the end of this video. All right, so quickly now jumping right in. So I'm going to be using the Binance platform. All right, so if you don't have Binance installed on your phone, on your mobile phone, there's the web platform, but it's convenient for me to actually use the mobile platform. Right, so if you don't have the mobile platform, you can just go to your app store and download Binance. All right, let's go to the app store and download Binance. And the next thing you want to do is just come to you can see Binance is the spelling BINANCE. All right, just go to the Play Store or iOS store, download Binance. All right, and I will also endeavor to leave the link in the description below so that you can just by a click download the app. All right, and if you don't also have an account with them, you could also just use the link below. Just use my link below to join Binance. All right, so all the links to this will be in the description below, so endeavor to help yourself to create an account. So quickly, let's just jump right in. Now the moment you sign into your account, the next thing you want to do is you want to see this P2P trading. All right, just click on P2P trading. Now let me change this to Naira. I'm basically in Morocco now, so that's why I use the MAD, that's Moroccan dirham. So but let me change this to let me change this to Naira. All right, that's NGN. All right, so it changes to your base currency. All right, then having done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure before you actually choose the person you want to transact with, just click and see our amount above here. First of all, you have to first of all know whether you want to buy or sell. Your buying means you want to buy cryptocurrency. Your selling means you want to sell cryptocurrency and you want Naira or your fiat in your bank account. Then your buying means you are sending the exchanger the fiat currency in his bank account. Then you get credited in your wallet, in your coin wallet. All right, so for this purpose I'm going to be using USDT. I'm going to be buying USDT. All right, so that means I'm going to be getting a certain amount of USDT, and I'm going to be transferring the equivalence in Naira, which is my fiat my base currency now. I'm going to be transferring it to the person's account, the bank account. All right. So now the first thing you need to do is to set the amount. You can see amount. So you set your amount. Let me see. I want to buy. Okay, $5 is. I think $5 should be. Let's just use 555. Let's just say 5,005. Let's confirm. Oh, sorry. 55. Confirm. All right. Then you can see payment method. You choose a payment method. All right. Then payment. You can see there are so many payment methods here, but since we are dealing with bank transfer, so you choose bank transfer. All right. So that's it. So it has filtered the people that are on the platform ready to do business with you. It has filtered them based on the criteria you chose. That is, all that are here are available for bank transfer, and they can afford to make transaction with this 5,500 naira that I chose. All right. So quickly now, the next thing you want to do is you want to now sift through the particular person you're dealing with. And my advice for you is, this is very important in order to avoid scammers, or at the same time, there are so many persons that the CBN has for my country now, Nigeria, for now, I'm being specific now to the country. Now, Nigeria now has deployed some persons from CBN to actually come to this platform to basically catch people, because crypto is basically banned and is not allowed in my country. All right. So the best way to actually sieve out all these scammers and whatever on this exchange is simple. Now make sure that you're dealing with persons that have nothing less than 500 trades. You can see right here, you can see the amount of trades and you can see the percentage. I always like to use nothing less than, for me, I like to work with nothing less than 1,000. All right. But in a situation whereby you don't see up to 1,000, make sure that you go for a minimum of 500 trades. All right. Someone has made minimum of 500 trades and has nothing less than 85% transaction rate. All right. You can see now. So in this scenario, you can see the first person I have here. Sorry, you can see this person I have here has 100%, but the person has 88 trades. I won't deal with that person. This one also, I won't deal with him. You can see this one 200%. I won't deal with him. Now you can see this guy has 582. I won't deal with him because it has 82. Because I'm looking for nothing less than 85. All right, now look at this next person. This person has 3,000 trades and he has 92%. So I'm going to be dealing with this person. So the next thing is you want to check the limit of the person. You want to see that this person has a limit of 1,000 to 8,000. I won't deal with this person because there's a likelihood that before I'm able to place a trade, this person must have expended his limit. You can see his limit here is highest is 8,008, which is very close to what I actually want to trade. So there's a high probability that if I place a trade, the person would have actually exhausted his limit. So I will actually go to the next one. You can see this one here is 4,000 plus and you have 83. Okay, I think this is a bit manageable. All right. Okay, now let's look at this next. Oh wow, this is just perfect. You can see this is 800 trades and this is 86%. Okay, so this person meets all our criteria, and you can see that the limit here, we have 154,000. Wow. So this is excess of what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to be dealing with this person. So here, the person is exchanging for 573. So I'll just click buy. All right. Then you put in the amount you want to buy. So let me put I need $10 actually. All right. You can see. So this is what I'll be getting. For $10, I'm going to be getting as you can see, this 5,008. All right. So once you're done, then I'm dealing with fiat now, not by crypto, by fiat. So when you're done, you just click buy with 0 fee. Yes. And another good part of it is it's at no cost. Trust me, it's 0 fee, guys. It's 0 fee. All right. So once you looked at everything here and it's okay, then you click make payment. All right, that's it. So you can see the person's bank details right here. There's the person's bank details, everything here. So that's it. So the moment you're done transferring, you go ahead to your bank app and you transfer to the person. The moment you're done transferring, then you come back here to click transferred, notify seller. All right, so let me just go ahead and do the transfer. Okay. When you're actually doing this, make sure you don't put anything that's in the narration. Ensure that you don't do anything that has to do this is very important, guys. Whenever you're doing the narration, ensure that you don't put anything related to crypto. All right, yeah, that's very necessary. Okay, so you could just put transfer, just anything, that's it. That has nothing to do with, don't put P2P, don't put Binance, don't put USDT, don't put BTC, don't put crypto, don't put nothing. And it's very important, guys. So it's successful because it's successfully transferred. All right, so I just come straight here. You can see 5.8, it has been debited. So I just come straight here and click transfer, notify seller. All right, so you can see my countdown. All right, so another thing you can do to hasten your transfer, because this seller actually gave 47 minutes. So what you can actually do to make your transfer faster, just go to chart. All right, just go to your chart and just send them a message. All right, just click send. All right, please confirm. So that's it. So just send the person a message and you just wait. So you just wait a few minutes and let's just wait for the person to actually confirm the trade. All right, so I'm back to my P2P section. Okay, so let me see. I think he sent me a message. Okay, my order is still in progress. All right, okay, so I can see, click to check. Okay, my order is still in progress. So I'll just wait and let's see if we can do other things. Okay, I think he sent me a message. Okay, he has replied me and said hi. Okay, all right, you can see. So it's just going to go ahead to confirm this transfer, and the next thing I'll get the notification when my trade is complete. All right, so you can actually check your transaction here. You can see to be released. So here, sorry, let me go back. You can see this top right corner here. Once you click on that, you will see all the transactions that are yet to be completed. You can see this one here, complete, this one cancelled, complete. So you can also check here to know when your transaction is completed. So that's that. So we just wait. We wait, guys. We just wait. We wait. All right, so guys, here it is. The transaction has been completed. All right, you can see order completed 5,008, and I have 10 USDT. All right, so I could go back. So let's go check my wallet. So just come down here and just click on, you can see wallets right here. All right, and right there you will see, let me check my funding wallet. Okay, you can see my funding wallet, you can see 10 USDT. All right, so I have $10. So you can check under USDT, you can see I have 10 USDT. So that's how you could actually buy crypto with P2P without having issues with the bank or maybe with the authorities. All right. So and if you want to make any transfer, you can transfer, you can withdraw, you can deposit as you like. So that's it, guys. So I hope you like this video, and do not forget that if you want to join, if you want to if you don't have a Binance account, all you need to do is just check the description below and just sign up with the link in the description. All right. And also I'll put a link to the Binance app right there. All right. And another thing is, you might be wondering that maybe my interface is different from yours. All right. All you need to do is just click on this this upper right corner here, where you have the user sign, user symbol. Just click on it, then you can see this Binance Lite. All right, just yours is on Binance Lite, that's why you're seeing it that way. So all you need to do is just to put off the Binance Lite and to return back to normal, to advanced rather. All right, that will to return to the pro. So that's that, guys. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the bell button and also click the subscribe button. All right, so that you can be part of this community. Also, do like rather, and also share this video with your friends, and also comment in the section below, because at the end of the month I'm going to be choosing the winner of the most active person in the community in this channel. All right, so I'm going to be giving the person $50. All right, so if you want that bonus and you want to be the one to take that bonus, all you need to do is just to be active, subscribe, like, share, and comment on this channel. All right, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.